Hello everyone, Gaurav this side from Gossipfunda. 6 most useful Android tips and tricks. The very first feature on our list is always on display. To activate it, all we have to do is go to the settings. Now search for lock screen. Here you can see an option called always on display. Just click on that. Now there are several options related to it. You can choose from different styles of clock you want on your always on display. You can choose their colors. So what will it do? It will notify you on the lock screen about everything. Now the second one on the list is having a private DNS, domain name server. By having a private DNS, it will help us to block unwanted apps from several apps and websites. To implement it, all we have to do is go to the settings. Now search for connections. Go to more connection settings. Here you can see private DNS. You can choose the settings as you would like. Now third one on our list is the amazing feature of using motions and gestures. To implement them, all we have to do is go to the settings. Now there you can see an option called advanced features, and here you can see an option motions and gestures. Just click on that and you can choose from the several other options which you would like to implement on your device. Android also provides us with the ability to change font and size of our text in our device. To change font and text, all we have to do is go to the settings. Now choose the option on the display. There you can see an option called font size and style. Just click on that, and here you can choose from different styles and different size of fonts. We can tweak our notifications in Android and make them look amazing. To do so, all we have to do is go to the settings. Now tap on the notifications. Here you can see brief pop-up settings. Now you can choose from the several different styles for your notifications. Now last one on our list is the option of having panic mode. It is a security purpose feature, and to implement them, all you have to do is go to the settings. Now look out for advanced features. Here you can see an option called panic mode, and you can calibrate the option as per your choices. Please like, share and subscribe to Gossipfunda. For more such amazing content, visit gossipfunda.com. Check out the link in the description below. And don't forget to put your query in the comment section.